all the rows, the salary will become 0. But for every person's salary, I want to add some 10% increment. I want to give some 10% increment to the previous salary. Click on Open Expression Builder. Based on the salary, here you have to give your expression. What expression I want to give? For this salary, I want to give salary into 0.1 or 10 by 100. 10% tax, not tax, 10% increment I want to give. Understood? Salary plus salary into 10 by 100. I'm saving this. Now check the preview this time. Refresh this. Again, flow will be executed from the beginning. Previously, the first person salary 80,000. Now 8,000, 80,000, 10% means 8,000. 8% is added. On that way, you can update. The very direct question is not like what is derived column. He will ask you how to update existed values of a column. Solution is derived column transformation. Got it? So in this way you can update. Now I want to generate a new field. If the given column is not existed, if it is a new one, automatically a new column will be created. You just check it now. Now I have seen how to update. But in fact, I don't want to update. I want to keep salaries same as previous. That's why I will remove this expression. I remove this column. I want to generate a tax as a new column. I want tax as a new column. 10% tax I want to apply. Go to the expression builder. But tax computation based on the salary. The salary into 10 by 100. 10% tax. Or else simply say salary into 0.1. A new column is generated. Save it. Tax column added. One more column I want. Adding a new column. Add new column. Here HRA. One more column I am generating. 20% HRA I want to apply. What is the expression? That field salary into 0.2 or 20 by 100. Tax ready. HRA ready. Now net salary I want. Here tax is a deduction. HR is bonus. That means the salary minus tax plus HRA. That is net salary. Of course, you need not to worry about these formulas. What expression you want to apply, formula is given by the client to you. What computation you want to perform, given by them. You just have to implement them. I want net salary. That's why once again I am going to add a new column. Net salary. Expression. Expression. Salary minus tax plus HRA. But it has given error because still output stream is not yet produced. Once output stream produced, then only you can reuse the tax and HRA. Understand the point, sir? Once output stream produced, then only you can use HRA and tax. The fields which are not available in its input stream, that you cannot use in the expression. That's why for this solution, again for the tax, two solutions I will show you. Again for the tax, I am giving tax expression, salary into 10 by 100 plus HRA expression, salary into 20 by 100. The brackets not perfect. Minus. Now clear. Previously it was showing error. Now no error. So what is the caution here? Newly generated fields cannot be reused in same transformation. Newly generated fields, that means columns, cannot be reused in same transformation. Salary field is coming from input stream. It's input stream. But a tax HRA will be available in its output stream. This is one way that you can generate. This is the expression. Three new columns that we have created. Now click on what you call a debug. You just check it. Where is how to bring it down? I'm not able to find slide bar. Click on data preview. Your input file actually 5 fields. Now you will have 8 fields, 8 columns, because 3 new columns generated: tax, HRA, and net sale. Please check. ID, name, salary, gender, department number, tax, HRA, and net salary. 80 the first person. Computation correct or not? Just check it. First person total salary, his salary 80,000. For that 80,000, 60,000 HRA added, 96,000. For that 96,000, tax deducted, 88. Perfect or not? On that way, you can generate a new fields. This is one way. Come back to your column settings. Go to the expression builder. Here the expression is very simple. Only one tax you are deducting, one HRA. Think that expression is very big there. HRA, DA, TA, lot many other HR related lot components are. At that time, every time giving that expression is tough for you. That's why the second way I am showing you. I just cancel it. I will delete this net salary. I deleted net salary. Now I have only 2 columns. For this derived column transformation, I am adding one more transformation. That is derived column. Sir, here derived column 1 output stream is input to derived column 2. Once output stream produced, you can use new fields. In its input, look at derived column number 1. How many fields are inputs? How many fields are inputs? How many columns? 5 columns. For the derived column 2, how many columns are inputs? 7 columns. Now I can use directly tax HRA. I'm going to generate a new field now. The new field name is net salary. Here my expression. Expression, please tell me. Salary column already available. Minus. Tax also available. Plus HRA available. Because in its input, tax HRA already available, right? Understood. So this is better practice. When a expression is very complex, definitely somewhere at brackets or some commas or some operator, definitely developer is doing mistake. Again, resolving that error is simply tougher. That's why I do like this. Now, saved it, you can run it. You can run the preview. Already have checked the preview. But after salary, I want all these things. I want to reorder the columns. That's why I am adding selected transformation over here. Got it? Selected transformation, I have added. I want to reorder the columns. First I want ID, next name, next salary. Next I want, after salary, I want gender, sir. That is not drag. Oh, tax drag. Next I want HRA, sir. Where I want HRA, I want after tax. Just drag it. After HRA, I want net salary. Yes. Then gender, then department number. Understand? Combination of derived column and select. Whatever you want, you just keep at it. First, independently, you are learning about each transformation. Later, you will mix all the things. Simple. There is no other development component in ETL side like this EDF. That much easy. When you compare with Informatica, such kind of thing, there are a lot of complex processes are there. Here it is very simple. Even you are from non-coding background also, you can perform all these things. Only coding is that writing your expressions, that's it. A small bit, that's it. Okay. Now I have done everything. I know my preview. Definitely that will be into my expected order. After that, I am going to configure my sync. The sync is sync. For the sync, what is the data set? Same previous data set I am given. DS underscore output. Come to the settings. I am clearing old files. I want output in single file. Setting single partition. And output file name. File name option. Output to single file. Here file name. Let's say employee. Remaining as usual. Just publish this data flow. And come back to the pipelines. Your previous pipeline, execute pipeline. Only for demonstration, we are using this one. DataFlow one. I'm changing. Previously, select DF is selected. Now, what is your recent pipeline? Derived column. Derived column B. It's selected. Just publish this. Now debugging. Now your pipeline will be executed. Now it's in the beginning, it is in queue. Please wait for a minute. Execution started, it's in progress. Completed, sir. Please check your output file. From output, your output file name is employee. New columns generated or not? All the 8 fields. In this way, target table has 8 columns. Your input file or input table has only 5 columns. They are expecting, the target is expecting some other new columns. Between source and sink, you could able to perform transformations. But if data is, remember, if data is in on-premise or in some other SQLs, don't try to do it directly. First use copy activity. Bring the data into data lake. Once data came to the data lake, then perform this data flow transformations. Got the point? So this is what ELT. Bringing data to data lake, that is EL, sir. EL means extract, load. In data flows, what we are doing? Transformations. Finally, transform data you are writing into again some other different table or again data lake, it can be, depends on to whichever client has asked you to write them. Understood? Yeah. Today our agenda is completed, including session 17. Please summarize today's 2 sessions. What you have learned today? Please recall. Using select transformation, you can perform only 3 things. You can rename columns, drop columns, reorder the columns, but you cannot create a new column. Understood? If you want to create a new column, derived column transformation, but it can do 2 things. It can update existing column. It can create new column. Based on what theory it will run. If given column is existed, it will update it. If given column not existed, it will create it. Understood? You have seen both the examples, how to update and how to generate a new column. Tomorrow's session, maybe session 18 and 19, more interesting, but still topic on derived column. Just for temptation of you, this is very simple transformation. The derived column transformation, I want conditionally perform the transformations. Previously I have done conditional split. Now I don't want conditional split. Conditional transformation. A small example, how are your gender values? M, F. What is M, what is F? No meaning. Now I want to transform M as male, F as female. If value is M, that should be as male. Other than M, that should be as female. Suppose I have departments 11, 12, 13, 14 like that. It is why many departments are there. Department 11, I want it as marketing. Department 12 means HR department. 13 means finance. Still more complex transformation. You have salaries. Based on the salaries, I want to compute your grades. Your salary above 75,000, grade A. 50 to 75, grade B. 30 to 50, grade C. Less than 30 salary, grade D. In this way, I want to classify all my employees into 4 grades. So such kind of conditional transformations will be more involved. Understood? So maybe it may take, for each example, separate session I will take. Tomorrow I will finish these 4 transformations. Your regular business transformations will be like this, conditionally transformed. After that, more complex transformations. I am giving you date. Date should be transformed as age. Age, next level. Age should be transformed as age group. Based on that transformation, the online sellers like Amazon, they are identifying which age group people are mostly liking which categories of products. They are running separate processes on that. Understood? So that's why these transformations are very important for our real-time works, right? Okay, let's see tomorrow, sir.
Sir, share the sessions, sir.